This is the second video I make with this drawing exercise, and I wanted to delve deeply into drawing with lines and the specifics of that. First, you can see this is what I'm copying here is George Bridgman. It's a line drawing. It's a simplification, of course, of a human leg, where he tries to show you the imbalance. You see the lower leg yielding to the left and the upper leg yielding to the right, and then his body yielding to the left again. You get the rhythm in a body. Line is very good at showing rhythm in things. And I wanted to talk a bit about also this drawing exercise. As an exercise, it's very versatile. As you can see, I am basically it's also practicing hand dexterity. You see, I repeatedly draw with the same line, and with that I practice getting this line exactly where I want. I also look at the reference and then draw the line, and then I have a comparison. For example, now you'll see me draw the foot, and you'll see I'm drawing it too short. As you see, I'll correct it later. I'll correct it right now. But it's I made it too short. It's still too short a bit. But it's you get this direct feedback of seeing where you want to place the line and then placing it, and then you can see in the original reference if you get this direct feedback, and this improves your ability to visualize where you want the lines on the page, and with that it helps you become better at putting the lines exactly where you want them. It doesn't mean that you have to draw like this for the rest of your life. I mean, you can add tone and texture and things later, but as an exercise, it's a very good one. It's it trains you to see to learn what things look like. For example, like I mentioned, the leg here that yields back a bit, the lower leg, and the upper leg yields front a bit. It's useful to know that you should not stack lower and upper leg above or below each other. And also it trains you to see how people successfully simplify things. For example, you see a lot of straight lines approximating the original anatomy. And I discovered recently when for this project I was tracing photos, and I realized now that's not the same thing, because you get very soft lines when you trace, and here you can see the lines are really drawn with purpose. I set them there. There are straight lines. They're very clear. They're simplified. They simplify the outline, but it gives the drawing much more punch. And it's also wonderful. The advantages of doing this exercise is you get to train in design, basically, because this is a composition of lines. It's actually these are abstract elements. What you are looking at are lines, basically, in a certain configuration. So it's an abstract, in a way, it's an abstract drawing. And what I find is I also really appreciate the results at the end. You have a sketchbook with nice line drawings, which is pleasant. It helps wanting to draw the next day. For that, it helps to finish the day with a nice drawing. And well, sometimes when I feel like it, when I feel like zoning out, I will add cross hatching and that sort of thing. Just when the drawing has come out right, it's nice to add cross hatching. I'm not doing it here, but I could have done that if I felt like it. And I thought to prepare these. Then you always have something to draw. When you don't know what to draw, you can just open one of these drawing exercises and have some fun with it. Oh, that was a blip there. And so yeah, I hope you try it out, and I hope you have as much fun with it as I do. It's a very versatile exercise. You can just okay. I hope to see you. Talk to you soon. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.